Hello everyone, let us learn about Ohm's law. Before learning what is Ohm's law, let us see what is current. When a charge moves from one place to another, it contributes to current. Flow of charges, current. Ohm's law relates three quantities. The first one is the current flowing in the circuit. The second one is the resistance of the circuit, and the third one is the potential difference, that is the voltage. Now what is resistance? Just like this locker which prevents money to be taken out easily. Resistance is the opposition for flow of charges. So resistance opposes the current that to flow in the circuit. Now let us see the relation between resistance and resistivity. Now imagine that we go to a chocolate shop and buy chocolates. Let us consider the case of buying a 10 rupee and a 40 rupee dairy milk, where it is of the same type, same flavor. Will the taste differ? No. Right. So both the dairy milks will have the same taste. So the taste is independent of the size and shape. The same here. Resistivity is independent of the length of the material and the area of the material, and it is constant for a given material. So it is constant for a specific material. Whereas resistance is like the price of your chocolate. The larger the chocolate, larger is your price, right? So the same here, resistance depends upon the area and the length of the material. Now let us see how it is related. Now as we have discussed, it is the flow resistance to flow of current. Now if there is a larger opening, if the area is larger, I can easily enter the system. So if more area is there, current can flow easily. So if flow is easy, resistance is less. So more the area, easy is the flow, less is the resistance. Now if I have to travel a longer distance, that is a longer length, then I have to overcome so much of resistance. So my resistance increase if the length is increased. So larger the length, the higher is your resistance. So with this relation, we can write the formula for resistance as resistivity, which is the constant for that material, into the length. So if the length increases, my resistance increases, divided by area. As the area increases, resistance decreases. Now let us go to the definition of Ohm's law. So as the Ohm's law states that at constant temperature, when the temperature is constant, the current that is flowing in a circuit is directly proportional to the potential difference, that is the voltage. So as it is stated, I proportional to V, so V is equal to I into R. The proportionality is removed by a constant, which is the resistance of that given material of given length and area. So this is how a resistor will look like. Thank you. Happy learning.